Carpet cleaners, and we're here in Burke, Virginia. We just finished cleaning the carpet here, and I have the client with me. We're just gonna do a walkthrough and see his reaction here. So, when was the last time you said you had the carpets cleaned? You don't remember?
I don't remember. My wife always does that.
Okay, so what do you think about what do you
It's
see so
looking
far?
good. All the spots are gone. All the spots along the side over here are gone.
Yeah, yeah.
We got 3 dogs. So,
Okay,
and they're field dogs.
Are you ready to see your bedroom?
Yep.
Go ahead.
Yeah, it's totally clean. Yep.
What do you say, night and day or something like that?
Night and day.
Yeah?
It's good. It's looking good.
Good, good. It looks white again, doesn't it?
It does. It does.
Remember the stain that was right here?
Yeah, we're ready to rip the carpet up.
But now look at it.
Don't need to yet.
Not yet. Let's go check out the basement. I think you'd be really impressed. All right, so we're going down.
Dehumidifier down here.
Yeah, that'd be really good for the drying the carpet. How about these stairs?
Yep. Yeah, they looked like crap before. They were.
And now look at it.
Yep.
All right, good. I'm glad you're pleased. I
Probably
want to.
stuff ain't ready to go anyways. But
Yeah.
So
Look at that.
yep.
Are you impressed?
It's clean.
All right,
Clean.
good, good. And the fact that you haven't had to clean in a while, I mean, this is pretty much
We have our own Bissell, but
Yeah.
it just doesn't do it.
right, exactly. And then I went ahead and moved the sofa for you forward and
Okay.
moved the back, moved the chair for you, and things of that nature. And this area right here, this entryway was
Which is really bad.
Yeah,
That's
it
coming in
was-
that's coming in from flat ass outside. So.
yeah. So 1 through 10 about this particular area, what would you rate it?
Yeah, it's a 10 now.
All right, good.
It's definitely. It's as 10 as a 10 could be, and that is
Exactly.
stage carpet.
Exactly. I agree with you. I agree with you. Well, thank you. This is
Okay.
Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners, and we're signing out.
Okay.